Hi, Nature Adventure families. I'm so excited about our upcoming program when we're going to go on a bug hunt. But I think before we go, we should always learn a little bit about what we're looking for. So we're going to be looking for insects and bugs. This book is about insects. Insects have 6 legs. Bugs do not. So an spider that has 8 legs is a bug, but a beetle that has 6 is an insect. So I hope you enjoy this story, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday at Peckerside Park. About Insects, a guide for children by Catherine Sill, illustrated by John Sill. Insects have 6 legs. If you look, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a dog-baned leaf beetle. And if you look, you can barely see the beetle on those leaves because their body is colored so that they can blend in with the leaves. And they have 3 body parts. 1, 2, 3. That's called a cow killer. They have a waterproof skeleton on the outsides of their bodies. And this is an elephant stag beetle. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Young insects hatch from eggs, and these are baby praying mantises. And that's what you might see, this little sac hanging on a branch or a piece of a plant. Inside are baby bugs. They go through several changes before becoming adults. Now this is a butterfly, and we know that butterflies go through metamorphosis. They start as a larva, and they grow into a caterpillar. Then they make a cocoon or a chrysalis, that special little house that they build, and they stay inside that house. Here it is right down here for a little while until they emerge a beautiful new butterfly. Antennae help insects smell and feel, and these little pieces that stick up above their head, those are called antennae. And now we know that they can smell things with them, and they can feel things. Some insects, suck animals or plants to get nourishment. And here it's a black horsefly, and it's on a horse. Others bite and chew their food. So this is a southeastern lubber grasshopper, and he's eating this leaf. So maybe if you're out in nature and you see leaves with little holes in it, it means that a bug was munching there, having their lunch. Many insects fly, and these are called a whitetail, and it looks like they're a species of dragonfly. You can see they live around a pond. Some crawl because they have no wings. Now, if you see a giant walking stick out in nature, you're very lucky because it's very hard to tell the difference between the walking stick, the insect, and the tree that it's walking on. Because again, it's designed to blend in with its surroundings. So it's designed to blend in wherever it is so that animals that might eat giant walking sticks cannot see it. And if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs, and look at how long his antennae are. Others jump, and there's a giant katydid jumping from one leaf to another. Katydids, they kind of look like crickets. And again, with the 6 legs and the antenna. Or some swim. So if you go to a pond, you're going to see dragonflies flying above it and probably mosquitoes, maybe some flies. But if you look along the water, you might see a smally whirligig beetle skimming across the top of the water. Insects live everywhere. These are called silverfish. And they like paper and dust and books. And if you have old books, you might end up finding some silverfish. Some are active during the day, and you can see here's our favorite bee, the honeybee, getting some nectar and pollen. Others are active only at night. This is called a luna moth, and it comes out only at night, kind of like fireflies. Some insects are pests. You do not want to see a German cockroach inside your house, especially inside your cabinets. but many are very helpful. And this is called the Convergent Ladybug, Ladybug Beetle, because ladybugs are a kind of beetle. There are many different kinds of ladybugs, and they like to eat little other bugs, and these little bugs are called aphids. But the aphids can be bad for plants, so you want the ladybugs to eat the bugs that are eating your plants. Insects are an important part of our world. And there he is. Well, I hope you liked that story. I hope you enjoyed this story. I don't know if we'll see many of the bugs that we saw in the book or the insects, but I'm sure we'll see some. So I will see you on Wednesday. Get ready, because we're going on a bug hunt.